Imagine a world where mobility limitations become a thing of the past. Welcome to the era of robotic exoskeletons. These are wearable marvels of technology, designed to assist individuals with mobility impairments. How, you ask? They lend powered support to limbs, enhancing movement and independence. Helping to restore mobility, these devices are revolutionizing the way we approach physical rehabilitation and mobility assistance. Robotic exoskeletons are not just a product of science fiction. They are here, changing lives and defining our era. The journey of robotic exoskeletons is one of groundbreaking technological advancements and relentless innovation. This tale begins in the mid-20th century, when the concept of powered exoskeletons was first conceived. However, it was not until the turn of the millennium that the first rudimentary devices began to take shape, offering a glimmer of hope to individuals with mobility impairments. As the technology evolved, so did the sophistication of these devices. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into exoskeleton designs has been a game changer. These advancements allow for real-time adjustments and personalization based on the user's movements and needs, making the robotic exoskeleton an extension of the individual rather than just a wearable device. The development of lighter, more durable materials has also played a significant role in the evolution of these devices. Today's exoskeletons are designed to be as unobtrusive as possible, maximizing user comfort while still providing the necessary support. And let's not forget about battery technology. With improvements in energy storage, today's exoskeletons can operate for extended periods, granting users a level of independence that was previously unimaginable. But the road to this point has not been smooth. Developers faced numerous challenges, from technical hurdles to regulatory issues. Yet, through perseverance and innovation, these obstacles have been overcome, paving the way for the exoskeletons we see today. From concept to reality, robotic exoskeletons have come a long way, and their journey is far from over. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of robotic exoskeletons promises even more exciting possibilities. Picture a world where these devices become an extension of our bodies, enhancing our physical abilities in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine soldiers equipped with exoskeletons, carrying heavy loads and moving at enhanced speeds. Construction workers lifting heavy material effortlessly, and elderly individuals regaining their mobility and independence. The potential applications are as vast as they are thrilling. But the future isn't just about what these devices can do. It's also about making them more affordable, efficient, and accessible. Research and development are ongoing, with scientists and engineers around the globe striving to refine the technology, reduce costs, and increase accessibility to these life-changing devices. The world of robotic exoskeletons is evolving at a rapid pace, and we're just getting started. In the realm of robotic exoskeletons, the only constant is change. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, the future holds limitless potential. So what have we uncovered in our journey through the world of robotic exoskeletons? A transformative power, evolution, promising future. With every step we take towards the future, robotic exoskeletons are there, making those steps easier, more powerful,